welcome back to channel Nasi Kembaran. Kali ini kita masak-masak ya. Mau tahu masak apa? Check it out.
Halo guys. Nah, kali ini aku mau masak kalio ayam. Ayamnya aku pakai 1 ekor. Ini bumbu halusnya udah aku tulisin di bawah ya. Ini tambahannya ada gula merah, garam, dan kaldu bubuk. Ada daun salam, daun jeruk, cabai rawit, cengkeh, dan serai. Ini santannya aku pakai santan kemasan, aku tambahin air dikit. Gampang banget kan? Oke, kita masak.
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any night, any day. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. Say the word on my way. Bonafide stallion. Ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy.